Lemons may be sour, but you don't have to be. Be nice to everyone. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. You join me again in my kitchen where today I am making a vegan lemon drizzle loaf cake. Lemon drizzle loaf. If you want to see how I make this, then keep watching. So first of all, the ingredients you're going to need are 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, 275 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of golden caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 lemon zested and 1 half juiced. Whereas I used to make lemon drizzle the whole time before I was vegan. I've never made one since being vegan. And I loved my lemon drizzle very lemony and very zesty because I really like the tartness and the sourness. When it hurts here, that's what I like. So I've done 2 lemons, but it's up to you and how you like it. For the icing sugar, you need 150 grams of icing sugar, half a lemon juiced. So it's like... First of all, we need to preheat our oven to 180 Celsius, which is what it is I got told about last time. So let's heat the oven. The oven is on and it sounds very loud, but we're gonna have to just move on. Step 2, get your loaf that you'll be using, your tin. You can either do it circle, you could even do it in cupcakes, I feel like. You could do it as like a cupcake recipe, but I don't know the quantities of that. So I'm gonna do it in a loaf. Grab this. So now I'm going to place that to the side. Next, you need to get a mixing bowl. We add our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, and our lemon zest into the mixing bowl, and then we mix flour in, sugar in, baking powder in, and the lemon zest. So that is all in there. So now you've mixed all your dry ingredients. Oh, I sound like a chef. You add the oil. The oil's in. You also add, you're meant to add half lemon here. I'm gonna add a full lemon juiced, just because I like it. Over half. It's very aggressive. I just thought that could have got a lot of seeds in. There's no seeds in this lemon. Also here, add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Ooh. It smells like medicine that goes in. But now you need to add 170 milliliters of water. I'm gonna leave a little bit and then I'm gonna combine that. And if I think it needs more, I'll add more. So then mix this. You've just seen me mix it all and it's nice and combined. It smells very lemony. This recipe is so easy, I didn't realise how easy it was. Now it is all mixed together and combined in a nice little... I'll just pour it into this. So let's do that. Put it into the oven and bake it for 30 minutes or until a skewer goes in and comes out clean. Let's do that. Something about batter is so much nicer than the actual cake. Is that just me? I hope everyone's finding lockdown okay and coping. I hope everyone's happy still and everyone's looking after their mental health and things like that. I hope you're doing exercise, I hope you're staying busy and active, and I hope everyone's healthy and safe. Also, yesterday I had a bit of a cry because I got so overwhelmed because I got people that obviously don't know me in person or anything. They watch my TikTok, they watch my YouTube, and just follow me on Instagram and things like that. And I'm getting so many messages from people saying how much they enjoy my videos and my content and the style of my videos and things like that, and just compliments. And it's so nice to hear from people that they enjoy what you're doing, because obviously I enjoy doing it, which is the whole reason why you do something. Do you know what I mean? I wouldn't do something if I didn't enjoy it. But then it's so nice hearing other people enjoy it, because then it's like, great, we can enjoy it together. Do you know what I mean? I could juggle with 2 things, but I don't know if this is classed as juggling. Do you know what I mean? Is this classed as juggling? I don't think so. I think it's just from the catching. No. So, it has come out of the oven now. It looks like this. And I have skewed it here with a thingy. I'll do it again. And look, it comes out clean. So that's how I know that it is ready. Oh, it's hot. So it looks like that. And then we leave it for 10 minutes to cool. And then once 10 minutes, we take it out of this and put it on a wire rack. And then we make our icing and do the drizzle. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. It is cooled, it is out the tin, and it looks like this. So now what we need to do is make the drizzle to make it a lemon drizzle. Lemon drizzle. So to make the drizzle, what you need to do is get the icing sugar and mix the lemon juice in, kind of like a little bit at a time, because otherwise it'll be too runny. You kind of want it a little bit thick, but not too thick. But if it's too runny, it'll just seep off. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a knife and make just a few little like marks in it, so the drizzle will soak in. So first of all, I'm going to just go 1, 2, 3. Do you know what I mean? Just like that. My icing sugar, my lemon juice, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in, like that. And I'm going to mix it. For drizzle, I do feel like it is personal preference on how you like it and how you want it. Because like right now mine is like this. Whereas I want it a little bit runnier than this, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more if I want it a bit more. Yeah, I want it a little bit more than that. So yeah, let's add a little bit more. But again, it is personal preference here. Like obviously take into account how sour you want it, how zesty you want it, how runny you want it, how coated you want it. That is the perfect consistency that I want. I want it very like liquidy because then I feel like it'll seep in to the cake really well. So now we just drizzle it onto the actual cake. So let's do that. Now I'm going to transfer it onto like a cake stand where it will look nice. So now it is on the cake stand. You know, I'm going to leave it 5 minutes to like infuse and do something. Oh, it smells very lemony. Okay, so this is the final product, my lemon drizzle loaf thing. I decorated with a lemon because it's lemon drizzle. Makes sense. It smells very lemony, which I love because I love the flavour of lemon. I love it. It's quite airy for a vegan cake. Vegan cakes are very like hard to get airy and like right. And I'm not saying this is right. I could be very wrong, but it looks like very like. Do you know what I mean? There's like air pockets in it, which is good if I remember correctly from a Jamie Oliver recipe once. And now that's it on my plate. So let's try some. So I'm going to go for the top bit because it's got the most icing on it. I've also got a cup of tea to go with it because, obviously. This is really nice. I really like that. I think that is really nice. It's got some great air pockets. It is lemony, it's zesty. It's fresh, it's fragrant. The icing's very nice. I hope you make one of these yourselves if you like lemon drizzle, because I know as a vegan, when I wasn't vegan, this was one of my favourite cakes. And since being vegan, I've never been able to have it. And now that I can have it, I'm very happy with this. So please make this and let me know if you do. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Hey Siri, Set a time. Set a time.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded about.
I need to know right now, 30-minute timer for my lemon drizzle.
Sorry, I wasn't able to create the reminder.
Set timer for 30 minutes.
I can't set your timer here. Would you like a reminder instead?
I want you to do your job properly.
Okay, I won't remind you.
Sassy.